So we are right at 30.85. That was crazy on Amazon. So we got a bit of a green hammer here. Tick is 14.20, but we are spiking going up. So let's just see how it does here. It could try and hold this 3,100, guys.
Watch the
rest of the
cues.
market.
So the cues
Yeah.
are getting weak. Let's just watch it.
If they plummet, I'll be happy to take this Amazon down. I'd love to do it more at 31.18 though, and not here. Qs do have an inverted hammer here. A little bit choppy. Now we've got a green hammer on the Qs. Firing off. Tick is still holding at 13, guys. Call out your play, Chris, if you take this down.
I will. Just waiting right now. I think it's going to pop up a little bit again.
I do too, and I think then we take it down. I don't think this 3,100 holds. So let's see where she goes. Yeah, this is weak, guys.
Nobody's taking options right now. They're just waiting.
Blows through this 30.85, guys. It's gone. That's what I'm looking for.
Order filled.
Needs to break 30.85 and I'm in.
Man, with the keys going down, it's hard not to take one here, but I have not. But
All right, so I'm in it.
all right.
Let's see where this goes. 30.87 is my stop. That's money, guys.
Yep.
We got the tick still coming down.
Order filled.
I'm out of 2 of those. I was in 3. Just scalping today. This other one, 30.87 is my stop. Let's just see if we can continue down and plummet. We're still looking weak. We still got a high tick. I just wanted to put some money in the bank. Like we said, we don't look like we're coming up, guys. Definitely much more difficult to be trading on a laptop than that power system that you got us, Eric. Okay. Anybody else catch any of this Amazon?
No, I didn't take it. I didn't take
We're
it.
still dropping, guys. I mean, there's still a down pattern unless it breaks back through this 30.85. I don't like the Qs giving us some green here, but we're still 11.39 on the tick. Now it's trying to form a hammer. I'm out of that, guys. Probably still goes back down. Not a hammer as much as it is a doji here on the 10. So, choppy. NVIDIA went the other way. This Neo is gone. Bounced off 41. See if it keeps running. Amazon looking weak again here. We got a very mixed market. You got the Qs showing a hammer here. You got a tick of
NVIDIA.
1,000. And that's what I can say. NVIDIA's running, NEO's running.
I'm gonna load up a call here for Amazon. It goes up over 30, 92. I'm waiting.
Zoom is looking heavy here, guys, too. It hasn't dropped. It drops through 375. It'll catch my attention, but it looks like we're going up. Yep, we got a hammer here on the Qs. I like your Amazon up, Chris, if it holds. I just wish the tick gave us a better entry here. Let me know when you take Amazon up. Qs need to hold here.
Trying to get it right now. I can't get it.
Try natural.
Ah, shit. I missed it. I'm out. God damn it.
It only partially filled mine.
I
So
got
I'm in
it. Just scalped it real quick.
Yeah, I'm in at 3,100. It's going to have to hold 3,100 for me or I'm out of this trade. So let's see where it goes. Could be choppy, guys. But the Qs look like they want to go parabolic. We're still really high on the tick. It hasn't reached zero yet, but we may stay positive all day. So let's just see where this goes. Zoom, you have a hammer forming, guys. James, call out your trade if you get out of this Amazon.
I'm already out. I just did a quick scalp.
Okay, I'm still in it. I went light today. I'm only in 2 contracts, but 3104 is going to be my out. I'm not holding this unless it can show me steady upward movement. I just feel like 3,100 was really its value. It looks like it's going
Don't get
parabolic.
out. Don't get out.
Yeah, it looks like it's really good.
Yeah,
Blows
it's a good.
through this 3118. It's gone, guys.
Don't get out.
NVIDIA looks good. We got rest of the market good. You got NEO blowing up. Zoom with a nice hammer here, guys. Still looking like we're holding the upward move. The Qs just need to continue to blow up. Tick is getting down to 500, probably going to pivot here. Let's see if Amazon can continue up. It's sitting right on my stop. NEO's running. NVIDIA's running. Zoom looks like it could launch here, guys. So we bounced off 500 like I thought we would on the tick. NVIDIA is gone.
Order
$14
filled.
on NVIDIA or so. Amazon launching again. If it blows through pre-market, it's gone, guys. Looks good. Zoom's gone. We got Nvidia gone. They're all holding the 10-minute candles here, guys. We still have a strong bull market. Looks like things are going to run. As long as the Qs can hold here, tick looks like it's going to bounce again.
I'm gonna watch
Getting
this
down.
for put on Zoom, actually.
Okay. I got out of Amazon. I'm back in Amazon. Pre-market high here, 31.18. 31.17 is my stop. I'm out if it blows through that. Qs are showing some weakness, but the tick did bounce, staying positive. Upward move still looks good here so far. I like your Zoom puts though.
I got back in it with you on the pullback.
Okay, if it drops beneath this 31.15 to my stop, okay? Otherwise, it's going to run, I think. What are you
That'll be
seeing on
mine
your
too.
end, Chris?
I'm
This
not in
Amazon?
Zoom yet. I'm not in Zoom. I'm not. Oh,
Yeah, the upward move
Amazon,
looks strong. Amazon looks good up.
31.35. I wouldn't be out of it.
Yep, that's what I'm doing.
And, Zoom's running into a 200 and a low of Friday, so that's why I'm waiting on it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like the stop was $17 on Amazon. If you want to do a fair stop, I couldn't get in.
Yep.
You know.
Yep. NVIDIA forming inverted hammer here. It's green, but probably continues up. I'm showing 31.31 on Amazon. If it breaks that, man, it's going to run. Still looking strong up. Tick still positive. Qs are parabolic. What's not to like?
I'm showing your Pearson pivot is 31.19. You stay above that, you're golden.
Love it. Thanks, Dan. Appreciate the input, man. Always. You always have a lot to contribute, and I appreciate that. Been trading a long time. Yep, looks good. Here we go. I'm still in this Amazon. James, you got back in?
Oh yeah, I'm good and green.
Yeah, me too. This thing is off. So it's a good morning. Wow.
Good trade, guys.
Thank you. Tick is staying positive.
I'm sorry, I'm out. It dropped too much for me.
I got out of half of it. I'm staying in half. Needs to maintain half of that candle it's in right now on the 10-minute. So I'm not going to give it the 31.20. If it can't hold 31.20, I'm out of it. Or if I start seeing inverted hammer on the Qs or that's going negative on the tick, I'll get out. But right now it's looking strong. Zoom is gone. Amazon looks like it still wants to run. So guys, where can you do this and have this much fun? This is amazing stuff. 31.41 next big resistance for this Amazon. Unless you guys see something else. Tony, did you get any of this?
No, I had a buy said it was going down. I'm still wanting it to, but it's still going to just keep going up. Looks like.
Yep. Qs still are holding half of their upward candle. Tick is still staying positive. We still have an upward trend here, guys. There's no reason to be out of this trade yet. Dan, did you get a bunch of this?
I got a nice piece.
Good. I want to make sure the tick stays positive. I start seeing Amazon getting down 31.20, 31.24. I'm starting to think, let it go. But for right now, it's still holding the upward movement. The Qs look like they want to explode to me. Zoom looks the same way, which runs a lot like Amazon based on vaccine news. So for right now, I'm holding this bad boy. But I do think we could pop, break through the MAs, be above the stack, and then what's it do? It just gives Tony what he wants, which is to roll over.
I'm in puts and Zoom.
Trying to, I just Amazon's still holding. Your inputs in Zoom?
Small stop, kind of an entry here. Real small.
Qs are still going up. Tick is just sitting here on 0, though. It's the only thing I don't like.
No, I'm out of it.
Yeah, I'm out of this Amazon for now. I want to watch and see what happens next. Plan my next entry. So for a lot of the time what this Amazon has done is it pops in the first 30 minutes, goes above the stack, above the MAs, then turns around and flushes down and just plummets. So I'm wondering if we're going to see that today in the text. So I'm just kind of watching it to see if it can maintain its upward movement or this thing's going to roll over here. It's kind of right in the middle now. Could go either way. This Amazon's kind of 50-50 to me.
Damn Zoom. I swear it. I'd kick it right in the nuts if I could right now.
I don't like Zoom.
I swear it. Swear it.
Zoom does this to me a lot, so that's why I don't trade Zoom that much.
It plays right. It's going to get everybody else out above it. Who wants to, who's holding on.
Squeeze going off, or not a squeeze, but the histogram on it says this thing's going to go higher. I don't think it's ready to roll yet. Amazon's still holding upward movement. We did bounce off the 0 almost on the tick. Should have stayed in that bad boy. Yeah, we're going to run higher here. Volume's dropping off pretty quick here, though.
Got to get through that 31, 34.
Yeah. I think this is a pullback to higher highs, guys. It's just giving us a chance at another entry. So the Q's pulled back a bit. We're seeing some weakness in the tick. Volume is slowing. You notice in most of your stocks right now, you're getting close to that yellow bar, the volume average line. When you see that, you start thinking variability, more risk, less patterns, consistently fulfill their pattern. Looks like we may relaunch here, though. Let's just see what the Qs do. Got an evening star trying to form on NVIDIA on the 10-minute. We got bearish engulfing on the Qs. Tick is struggling with 0. Trying puts here in Amazon, guys. I don't know if it's going to work. I'm going small. 31.25 is my stop. Seeing some weakness here. Could go against me. Probably just a pullback to higher highs. I So weakness in the Qs. The tick's going to break 0, I think. So we could roll over here.
I like your idea. I'm just waiting a little bit longer.
I could be wrong, but 31.25 is my out on this Amazon, though. I'm not going to give it much. Yeah, it looks too strong, maybe. I'm almost at my out here. Ooh, choppy, choppy. NVIDIA looks like it's going to give it up, though. So does Zoom. I'm green. It's got to break through these MAs here, though. 31.17. Oh, I need another coffee. It may just hit these MAs and bounce. Definitely choppy.
Order filled.
This is a little early for a possible pullback or reversal. That's why I went small position. Looks like I'll be getting out of this, though. Yeah, I'm out of that.
The video looks like it could be bouncing off the MA here on the 5 minute.
So I'm out of that trade. Went against me a little bit. So now when you've had a trade go against you, what do? You're very, very cautious about taking another trade, and definitely cautious about taking a trade in the same direction you were just in. So we may enter chop here. We may see things going the other direction. Let's just see what happens.
I think it's just going to get hung up here, Bo.
Yeah, me too.
I don't think it's going to go up too much higher.
Yeah.
I'm not going to take it if it does. I'd rather take puts in it right now. Not
Yeah, I
the
thought so
second. I'm
too.
waiting still.
Yeah, I'm waiting. Very choppy. I may have had the right idea and just didn't want to give it enough stop. The only thing that makes me question that is the tick staying above the 0 here.
You seen that Tesla, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Where's she about to go?
This Neo
Oh,
looks
wait on-
like it's gonna. You're gonna say something, Chris?
I'm waiting on Amazon here.
think it's going to puke.
Yeah. The fact that it's not making it up, it's running out of gas.
I think
Order
it's going to launch
filled.
upward and then it's going to roll. Maybe 3140 is just sluggish, but we're just down to that low volume now. You know, it's just 50-50. Ticks 400 here. Good roll here. I mean, you could be right. I'd always rather take it down than up, though.
Order filled.
Yeah, looks like we're going to go up here, Chris. We had two big green candles and a red one, and we're spiking a brand new candle on the volume that's green. Probably means we're going up. I just don't think it's going to be fast. I think we get a chance for a pullback here. There it goes. 3140, boom. Does it blow through that is the question. Where's it going? Definitely hangs up at 3160 if it can get through 3140, you know? Yeah, I think 3160 is target for it. This might be slow getting there. It's just got to get through the 3140 first. Here it goes. So I got back in calls at this at 3130, Chris, and target's 3160, and then we'll be out. And then I'll look at puts.
I'm $3 up in this NVIDIA.
Good job. At 3141 is, I think that's the high of Friday. Got to get through that on this Amazon. This Neo is gone.
Yeah, that Neo is a bit of a wild ride, isn't it?
I love Neo. I've been trading it a lot lately. Q still look like they have upward movement here. Not ready to roll quite yet. Depending on this last candle, and the tick is 517. I'd love to see it get to 800 or something and then roll. I'll be in puts with you, Chris.
Yeah, I'm just sitting tight.
You think this thing stalls out or gets through this 41?
I don't know. It's been running for a little bit now. The Qs can pop. They're stuck on the 50 moving average on the 10-minute right there. If they can pop that, I think you'll be golden on the upper move here. Just it's been stuck on here for a little bit.
I got out of that Amazon there. I'm gonna re-enter. I'm just watching the cues here, watching the tick, and I'd much rather be in puts, but the movement is still up.
I agree.
This Tesla will puke if the markets turn around.
Yeah. Neo is hitting the 50 on the 39-minute here. And if it breaks through this 45, this thing's going to run today. Tesla has a squeeze going off on the 10-minute going down, guys. So it's probably going to fade the pop here. The 50 on the 10-minute is 407.18. So if it could drop. I like what you're saying, Michael. Only thing about it is we just got this trading by itself. We got the Qs going up. Here goes Neo through 45. Boom. What you thinking on this Tesla, Chris?
I'm eyeballing it. I'll tell you when I get in.
If you take puts in it, let me know. Yeah.
No,
Nothing either. Not
Nope.
yet.
I don't like it.
No, me neither. Not yet. Could burn you.
Yeah, if you could sit there for a while.
This Neo looks like it's going to run today, guys. Amazon's positive now. Big doji on Amazon on the 10 here, Chris, huh?
I got puts loaded, brother. Just waiting.
I'm ready with you.
Qs just aren't giving us the entry right yet, you know? Need to see them spike red here and start coming down, not green going up.
That's a good point.
All right, but right here it just went red. Trying Amazon here. Just did 2 contracts is all. If I can get to 31.20, I'll get out of one of them. As soon as I saw on the cues on the 10-minute, it went red, I took one.
Order
Just got to
filled.
blow through this. Let's see if we can get it down to 31.20. Probably is going to be a pullback to higher highs, but if it's a reversal,
I'm in it.
I don't want to miss it.
I mean,
So-
really,
Don't let it burn you. If you guys are up, don't let it turn around on you. Boom. Nice trade. Good call out, Chris. Got that with you. I'm getting out of half my position here.
I'm taking my $4 right here.
Nice.
Wow.
That was now it's got to blow through the 10-minute here. The MAs are stacked. If it blows through this, we've got a nice pivot here. If it pivots, I'll be out of this trade. Sweet call out, Chris. I was watching it and you called it out. I'm like, that's what I was looking for. Tony, you got this?
yep.
You're the man. Should be up $500 per contract. So we're going back up. Does it bounce here off the MAs and come up, or does it go down? I'm going to give it 31.20. 31.20, I'm out. I'm not going to stay in it and lose my money. All right, I'm out of that. That was nice. Thanks for the call out, Chris. That was another $1,000. Nice day. Not to say that you can't stay in it. It was a nice evening star, but I didn't like the fact that it pivoted on the MAs on the 10, you know, and it could go either way from there. And I'm just not going to sit through it. Yep. Nice trade. You do well on that, guys.
Yeah, thank you, Chris.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Chris. Good job, man. I got
Perfect
$6.
call out. Good job, Tony. This thing probably still works. If it blows through the MAs, guys, and drops through 31.10, I'm going to be interested in taking it back down, because this is a pattern I've seen this thing do over and over again. First 30 minutes, 45 minutes of the day, it turns around, it pops up through the MAs, and it turns around and drops through the MAs and drops the rest of the day. So that's a pattern for Amazon. It's the only thing I don't like is we're right there at the bottom of where the value is. The value of this stock is between 3,100 and 3,150 in my opinion. So I just don't know how much more it can drop. So I'm just going to watch it, but I'm going to take a brief break, grab a coffee. I'll be right back.
Thanks, Bo.